Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Joy from Inside Out. So come join me.
Don't you worry. I'm going to make sure that tomorrow is another great day. I promise.
Alright everyone, let's get started with Joy. I'm super excited. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw her hair. So here's Joy. I don't know where the camera died, so I don't know where it stopped, but I'm going to run through it again. And what I did was I started here. So I was here at this point, and I did like a little triangle. That's how I started. And then I curved the line here to a point, and then I went up like a zigzag to another point, and then I went back down as if I was drawing a triangle, had a point there, and then what I did was I curved it to a point, made a little zigzag again, and then from this point of the zigzag that kind of looks like a triangle, I curved it and I stopped right there. And then from here I went up as if I was drawing a triangle, down, and then I went up, out as like a triangle, back down to that point, did another little one like a triangle, and when I went down I curved it as if this was her head, because this is her hair, to a point, and I did two zigzags. So I went up, down to a point, up, down to a point, and then from here I just went up and I curved it a little bit and met up with this triangle that I made. That's Joy's hair. So there we have Joy's hair, and then from here, from this point of her hair, this is where her neck is gonna start. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a curve down like that. That's gonna be her neck, and this is the rest of her neck. So I'm gonna draw her neckline from where her neck is and her dress is gonna be, and I'm gonna curve it in like a hook. So I went like this and I curved it like a hook.
Good job.
And then from here I'm gonna go up, that's her neck, and then I'm gonna draw the rest of her face, which is gonna be like a circle. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna curve it as if I was drawing a circle, and I'm gonna go up to this point of her head.
That's so cool.
There's her face, or that's the shape of her head, and we could draw the details of her face. So her eyes are gonna be at the top, and one eye is gonna be right in between this bang part of her hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna make an oval shape. That's one eye, and then the other eye is gonna be right somewhere over here. And we're gonna make it like an oval too, just a little bigger. So I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna go just like that. And then her eyeballs are gonna be half circles. So I'm gonna curve like this, and I'm gonna do another one here, curve like that. And her nose is just like a little point. So we're gonna make something that kind of looks like a rainbow. So we're gonna come up and down. That's her nose, very simple. And we're gonna make a big smile because Joy is always happy. So we're just gonna make a curve as if we're gonna draw a smile, right? So here's that curve. And then we're gonna make her mouth super wide. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make something that looks like the bottom of a boat, or something that kind of looks like a banana. And then I'm gonna draw a line right in between as well. And that's her teeth. There we have Joy smiling already.
So cute.
So what we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna continue and we're gonna draw the rest of her body, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna move on to her chest area and her arms. Hopefully you guys are following along and finding this easy as well, okay? So let's continue. So we're gonna make the dress outline. And I'm gonna come here. This is gonna be the back, so I'm gonna curve it. This is her back, her shoulders down to like about her stomach. And then I'm gonna draw the bottom. So the dress splits a little bit, and I'm just make a curve like this. This is the top portion of her dress. I'm gonna continue with her dress, but what I would need to do first is draw her arms. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make something like the letter U right here, an upside down U. And this is gonna be her arm. So her arm is gonna come down, and I'm gonna curve it to a point. This point is her elbow. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna come here, but I'm not gonna go as far down. You see how this one's a little shorter than this one? That's how we want it. And then we're gonna go up as if we're making the letter V from here. So here, here. I'm gonna go up, And then I'm gonna do the same thing here. So I'm gonna finish that curve and I'm gonna go up. And that's her hand. Well, that's her arm. Now we're gonna draw her hand. So what she actually gonna do, she's gonna be holding a memory. So it's gonna be super cool. So one of her hands is gonna point to the memory ball. And we're gonna draw that hand right now. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna continue here and draw this part of her hand. And then I'm gonna curve it like that. So it's gonna come out and curve a little bit. And then I'm gonna draw one finger pointing. So this is gonna be like a loop or like the letter U as well. See how it looks like this, or a hook, you could say. And then we'll draw the rest of her hand. So we're just gonna come down from this loop to the side and then curve back down. She's pointing at the memory. She's like, oh, look at this one. And then we could continue. So the other arm is gonna be behind this arm. So what I'm gonna do is from this point of her neck, I'm gonna draw a little curved line like that. This portion, I'm gonna curve it like this. And what this is the rest of her dress. See, I could continue here so you guys can see. If the dress went here, we'll continue and pretend it comes right over here. That's the top of her dress. And then we'll draw her other arm. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go up this way. So her arm's gonna be up here. And then we'll continue here, just how this one was shorter, this one's gonna be a little longer. So the curve is gonna be right here. And then we're gonna go up as well. And then what I wanna do first is I'm gonna draw the memory ball just so I know where her hand's gonna be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a nice size circle here. So I'm gonna draw a circle. There we go.
That's nice.
That's the memory ball. And then we're gonna draw something like the rest of her hand. So her palm is gonna be open and it's gonna be like this, holding the ball. So we're gonna draw this side of the hand and this thumb part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna curve like this. That's the side of her hand. And then here, I'm just gonna draw something that looks like a thumb. And she's holding the memory ball. And we're almost there, guys. All we have left is her dress and her legs, which are super easy. So from here, from the top of the dress, I'm gonna make a little slanted line. And I'll stop maybe there. And then I'm gonna draw another slanted line here. I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna draw a slanted line. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the skirt of the dress, and it's gonna be a little flowy. So from here, I'm gonna curve it a little bit. I'm gonna make a hill. So this came down, and from here, I'll make a little hill. And then I'm gonna curve it to this part. So I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna come up and connect the dress. That's the skirt of the dress. And we'll just draw her legs, and then all the other details will come after. So her legs, just how we slanted this out, we're gonna slant it in just a little bit. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna slant her leg in just a little bit, and I'll do the same thing here on this side. Slant it in just a bit. And this part, we're gonna come down a little bit, and we're gonna come down and make something that looks like the letter U, right? And then come up and connect it. That's one foot. And then the other foot, she's gonna have it up, like up in the air. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna make something that looks like the number 7. So I'm gonna come up here, curve it a little bit, and go like this. And then I'm gonna curve this like a hook again, and then come back down. This kind of looks like the number 7. That's her foot in the air. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come down and make a loop to the dress. So I'm gonna loop it, and I'm gonna loop it right to the dress. And it looks like her legs in the air. Look how cute that is. And right now, guys, all we have to do is draw little details. So really the details are in her dress. I want it to look flowy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually switch to a thinner marker if you guys have one. If not, it's okay, you could continue with that marker. And I'm just gonna draw 2 lines from this point, from right here and right here, and I'm gonna draw them going up a little slanted, so kind of like a triangle. I'm gonna come up, and then same thing here, I'm gonna come up.
Super.
So it looks like her dress is like blowing in the wind. And then her dress looks like little flowers, but the only thing it is that it doesn't have the circle. So I'm just gonna draw like the stems around. I'll show you guys what I mean. So it looks like flower, but it doesn't have the circle in the middle. So it goes kind of like this. It comes around. These are like letter U's that loop around. Big loops. Go like this. You could pretend like there's a circle here. Go like this, another loop, and I'll draw one more right here. This is what her dress kind of looks like all around. And I'll draw a few more. We could fast forward this part, but you guys could continue trying. Maybe I'll do one more with you guys. Look, so I'll draw like a big loop, and then I'll draw another one right over here. Another loop, another loop. We could pretend like the circle's there. If you guys want to draw in that circle, you can. Loop, another loop, and I'm gonna draw one more loop right over here. And that's kind of what her dress looks like. It goes around, there's like a circle, and I'm gonna draw a few more. You guys could scatter it around. Also guys, I want to try something out. So in her dress, she has like white spots. So when I color it in, hopefully it's gonna work and it's gonna color over this. So it's like a circle, and then it's just lines coming from the circle. So it just goes out, and it just goes out all over the dress. So maybe when I color it in the green it'll show. So stay tuned to see if it works. And there we have it guys, there's Joy. She looks super happy, she's so excited that she has a core memory. And yeah, so I'm just gonna color it in. You guys could use markers, color pencils, anything you have really. You could copy exactly the color she is, or you could pick whatever color you really want. So what I'm gonna do guys is we're gonna fast forward this part, and when we're done, I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so there we have it guys. There's Joy. She looks super happy, super excited. So the little trick that I try to show you guys, I don't know if it picks up, but it worked. It looks like you could see the white stripes after I colored it in with the green. So it ended up working.
Wow.
I added some stripes in her hair so it pops out more. I put some pink for her lips. Her eyes are blue just like her hair. And then the balls. So I decided to do fear and joy, because sometimes we try new things and we're super scared at first, but then we end up having the time of our lives and creating new memories and new hobbies and experiences. So hopefully you guys found this drawing easy to follow, and please stay tuned for more cool drawings. See you next time.